Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Thursday the 21st of July. And a big day today for the Eurozone with those ministers gathering in Brussels for their EU summit to see how they progress on this Greek debt issue in particular. Latest source comments and that of the FT this morning did suggest that there was an accord struck overnight in late night meetings between that of Germany and France on how to proceed with this issue. However, as the sessions progressed, we've seen a high degree of volatility in the markets and general risk off trade now heading to the North American Open, which has come on the back of predominantly comments out of EU member Juncker, who has said that there is a possibility of a selective default. Coupled that as well with Wall Street Journal sources reporting that in terms of this idea of a financial transaction tax on European banks, that Germany and France are against that. And as such, it does pretty much leave the only options on the table as potentially this selective default scenario. As such then, the euro against the dollar has dropped back beneath the 142 handle. Bunds have caught a bit of a lift off their initial session lows. However, the spreads do remain predominantly tighter. And equity markets are lower, albeit the financials are still trading a minor positive. Elsewhere as well, mixed in with this, we've already seen this morning the latest manufacturing and service PMIs. They've also come out particularly weak in Germany and France, which has also dented some of the sentiment here in Europe. But the main focus does indeed remain on Brussels, where the formal meeting should commence at 12 o'clock. Results we'll be looking for after the cash equity close this afternoon. Could come late afternoon or later this evening. We'll have some concrete measures outlined from those European officials. Looking forward then, another busy day in terms of corporate earnings from Europe. Nokia due shortly. Another day of US corporates as well, all due pre-market as well as after-market. And the weekly jobless numbers as well will be released later in the session at 1:30 London time. That concludes the opening wrap from here in London. So we'll have another update this afternoon, so enjoy your trading day.